Hey guys, it's your girl BreAnna Christie and I'm back at you today with another video. Now last year I did a haul. I got a few pairs of glasses and they still on and popping. I still got them, but I had to buy some more. So we're gonna do Zenni haul part 2 2019. So keep on watching. This time I got 5 pairs of glasses. I think I spent about around $80. That's with shipping and everything. I'm gonna try the glasses on for you and you guys can just get an idea if you want to buy these glasses for yourself. So like I said, I got 5 pairs of glasses with the shipping and the frames and everything. It was roughly about $80. I want to say I got the glasses within about 2 weeks. Wasn't too super long at all. So the first pair that I got, these frames were $6.95. And as you see, these are very similar to the ones that I got last year. They're the same exact frames except for last year I bought them in pink and I saw they finally, last year me and my mom wanted these glasses so bad and they were sold out like for the longest time and they finally brought them back. Oh my god, I was so close, like mama, they have our glasses. So I bought these. So these glasses are too cute. This is what they look like up close on my little iPhone. I look super shiny, but it's okay. I love these freaking glasses. These next ones that I got, these frames were $19. So these frames, this is what they look like. These are more of like a cat eye shape. As you see, they're very thin. They're like the tortoise. I think they're like the tortoise color. So this is what they look like. Me again looking shiny, but this is just another view of the glasses. I love these glasses. I'm obsessed with these. I bought a pair of glasses that I actually bought a few years ago. I want to say like 3 years ago now, but I've been looking for these glasses forever and I just decided to just buy them again because when I had first started buying from Zenni, which was like I want to say 2-3 years ago, for whatever reason I lost these, so I bought these again. These are just a basic pair of black frames. These are also $6.95. These are $6.95 frames. This is what they look like, and as you see, I have a theme. I have square glasses, cat eye glasses, rectangle glasses, big frames, small frames. Like it's just, I get all different types of frames displayed depending on my mood or depending on what I'm wearing. I can just go ahead and wear them. I mean, if you guys want, maybe one day I can do like a glasses haul. So just, you know, comment down below. Just let me know if you guys don't want to see that in the future. Me just doing a collective haul of all my glasses. This way maybe you can get some inspiration to buy maybe a pair of glasses that you thought, you know, that you might like. But anyways, again on my camera, and these are what these glasses look like. I think these are so cute, and since they're black, they go with pretty much anything. So these are the 4th pair of glasses that I got. These were, I want to say they were $9.95, so they were $10 frames. Like I said, they're clear on the front. On the side, I want to say this is like, I forget the style, but I'm gonna link all the glasses down below. But this, it has this design on the side. But this is what they look like on the side. So like with all of them, like I like to get like different styles, but then also something that can go with a lot of different things. Last pair of glasses that I got, they are the color red. I always wanted to get a pair of red or white glasses. I still don't have a pair of white glasses. That's what I'm gonna buy next, but I did buy the red glasses. These were also $6.95 frames. This is what the red pair looks like. So they're very, very cute. I just love the pop of color. I feel like you could obviously wear red, you could wear black, white, gray, like tan, like I just love the pop. So that is why I got these. They're all comfortable. They all feel like you kind of forget that they're on your face. They're not heavy, they're not tight. I know sometimes certain glasses, like when you wear them like on your temples, it feels so tight sometimes you get a headache. I don't have any of that with any of these glasses. Okay, so all of the glasses, they come in the same containers that they always come in, which are these little plastic. The inside looks like this. It has like the little fuzzy part on the inside to place your glasses, and then all of the cases come with a eyeglass cleaner. All the glasses started from $6.95. Those were the cheapest frames that I got. The most expensive frame that I got with this round was $19. So like I said, I got it within 2 weeks. All of these frames with my prescription in them. These are not clear frames. All of them have my prescription in them. All of that was about $80, and that was with shipping and handling. So all of that included. You can't beat that. You can't even get a pair of glasses with a basic prescription for $80, just one pair. So that's what I'm gonna say. That being said, long story short, go get you some dang glasses, okay? Go get you some glasses. If you need glasses, go to Zenni. No, this is not sponsored. I would love to be sponsored by them, but no, I'm not sponsored by them. I'm just trying to keep it real. I wear glasses. I have to have glasses on me, and this is what I do. I go and use Zenni. I love them. They're quick. They have a lot of different styles, like styles galore. So go hit them up, go look. They have all different colors, all different frame shapes. And they also have unisex glasses. They have glasses for kids. They have men glasses, women glasses. Like, it's not just for women. They have glasses for everyone. Thank you for coming back to my channel to check out my Zenni Part 2 haul. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know how you felt about this video. Let me know if you decided to get some Zenni glasses. Let me know if you have any other questions. Maybe you're thinking about getting them and you just had a few questions. Message me, comment me, you know, hit me up. Don't forget to do that. Hit me up on all my social media. I do not bite. I would love to be friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.